Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to install Kadence theme in WordPress. First of all, you need to bring your cursor to this sidebar here, bring it to appearance and then click on themes. As you can see here, some themes which are installed 2022, 2023, 2021. Then I'll click on add new. Here I'll search for Kadence and then click enter. Here is my Kadence theme. I'll click on install. Once it's installed, then click on activate. So as you can see, Kadence theme is added to my activated themes. Now I'll click on customize. And from here I can customize the theme and I can change color and fonts, add footer and header. I can click on Kadence. And from here I can click on install Kadence starter templates, and now it's activated. From here you need to choose a builder. I'll click on Elementor. Now here are some templates, you can choose from them. I like this one, so I'll click on course. From here you can change colors and change font. Then you can click on full site. You need to type your email here and then click on subscribe and start importing. So the import has started. Okay, so template was installed and now I'll click on themes. This is how you can install Kadence theme to your WordPress. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.